Decluttering can be a rewarding and liberating process, especially as you transition into retirement and a simpler lifestyle. However, it's easier said than done. Here I give you some practical steps to help you declutter effectively and create a more organized, peaceful living space. Start with a plan. Set clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve, whether it's creating more space, simplifying your life, or preparing for the future. Take it slow. Declutter in small, manageable steps. Focus on one area or category at a time, for example, a closet, a drawer, or a specific type of item like books or clothes. Schedule time. Dedicate a specific time each day or week to decluttering. Even 15 to 30 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Sort items into categories. Use the 4-box method to sort items as you go. Keep items you use regularly, love, or need. Donate or sell items in good condition that you no longer need but could benefit someone else. Trash or recycle items that are broken, expired, or unusable. Undecided items you're unsure about. Set these aside and revisit them later. Focus on key areas. Start with areas that will have the biggest impact on your daily life. Closets and clothing. Keep only what fits, is comfortable, and makes you feel good. Donate or sell the rest. Kitchen. Remove duplicate utensils, expired food, and gadgets you rarely use. Paperwork. Shred old documents and organize important papers into folders or a filing system. Sentimental items. Keep only the most meaningful items. Take photos of others to preserve memories without keeping the physical objects. Storage spaces. Tackle basements, attics, or garages last, as they often contain less frequently used items. Alright, let's dive into adopting a minimalist mindset. Start by asking yourself a few key questions. Do I use this regularly? Does this bring me joy or serve a purpose? Would I buy this again today? And if I were moving, would I take this with me? Remember, it's totally okay to let go of gifts, inherited items, or things you've spent money on but no longer need. Let go of that guilt. Now let's talk about organizing what you decide to keep. Use storage solutions like bins, baskets, and drawer organizers to help keep items tidy. Make sure to label everything clearly so it's easy to find things later. And create zones by grouping similar items together, like hobby supplies or seasonal decorations. This will make your space more functional and enjoyable. Dispose of items responsibly. Donate to local charities, shelters, or thrift stores that often accept gently used items. Sell using online platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or consignment shops for items of value. Recycle by checking local recycling guidelines for electronics, paper, and other materials. And for broken or unusable items, dispose of them responsibly. Maintain a clutter-free space. Adopt a one-in, one-out rule for every new item you bring into your home. Let go of one you no longer need. Regular check-ins are essential. Periodically review your belongings to ensure you're not accumulating unnecessary items. Stay mindful and be intentional about what you bring into your home. Seek support if needed. Ask for help by enlisting a friend or family member to assist with decision-making or heavy lifting. Consider hiring a professional organizer if you feel overwhelmed or need expert guidance. Community resources can also be a great help. Some communities offer senior services or donation pickups to make decluttering easier. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge your achievements and take time to appreciate the work you've done and the space you've created. Enjoy your space by using your decluttered home to pursue hobbies, relax, or entertain guests. Remember, decluttering is not just about getting rid of things. It's about creating a home that supports your lifestyle and brings you joy. Take your time, be kind to yourself, and enjoy the process of simplifying your life.
Thank you for watching. This channel promotes healthy, fulfilling, and happy retirement. If you have topics that you would like us to look into, please leave them in the comments below. We greatly appreciate your support.